Bumper guard, that's the next thing. This is a little guy right here, and this is, again, what protects it from getting stuck. Well, if it gets stuck, then the cleaner just moves on the inside and scoots the other direction. Obviously, this, to make sure it's working properly, well, make sure it's a circle. If it's any other thing, if you find that yours is a trapezoid, I don't know what the heck's going on. Get a new one. This over here, you want to also inspect and make sure a few things are happening. One is that these are not chipped or broken and spin freely. If not, you want to get a new set. They install easy by just popping in place. Now, I didn't take them out because it's a brand new cleaner, and all you do when you do is take them out, rather, is snap them, they pop off. If I were to take these out, then, well, they'd break. They're one-way compression, so get it right the first time. The other thing you want to check, too, is to make sure that your lead weights are in good shape. If they're starting to deteriorate or they're getting a lot of corrosion on them, you may want to take a look, and that comes in this bottom plate here. If it doesn't, then she'll be off balance, and none of us want that. How we make these two pieces together, it's really easy. The hoop part, or the taller part here, you'll see the groove, the taller part goes up. Okay, so long goes up, the shorter part goes down. All right, really easy to do here. This is up, sticker, and things are down. So all we're going to do is set it in place, clicking it one at a time, and coming up through the bottom here, or through the top, depending on how it's positioned. Click, 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 boom. Spinning great. And as far as final assembly here goes, all we're going to do is set it in place, and now we put in the magic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the one last 6. Drill them in, and your bottom plate is assembled.